A noun is a name of anything you see, a cat, a dog, or a big oak tree. Yes, you got me right. In this video, we are going to talk about how to introduce nouns in an effective way to our students and children. But before I go ahead, I would like to tell here that now in my videos, I will be offering worksheets to only those who have joined the membership of my YouTube channel. So if you have taken membership of my YouTube channel, which there is a join button around my name, around my profile on YouTube. You just have to click there and you have to subscribe, take subscription from there. If you have done that, then you can definitely see the detailed videos and you can download free worksheets that I create on my own in a structured way, which will definitely help you to teach your students and children. So let's get started now. So when I ask students, maybe second graders or first graders, which are just about to go to class 2, that what are nouns, do you know what answer do I get? The answer I get is nouns are name, place, animal, things. Do you all think that this is the right answer to this question? If you said no, you are right. A child must not say that noun is name, place, animal, thing. Instead, let me tell you how should you teach it. Now, children are giving you these answers because they've rote learned this thing. So let's get started. Okay, so I'll just remove this. I was already writing something here. So the topic that we are doing is nouns. But when you enter into the class and you are going to teach this topic, you will never say this line. Let's learn nouns today. Never start with this line. Or you don't even need to write down nouns on the board as you enter. Avoid it. Okay, let children don't reveal that what are you going to teach them today. So if not this, then what and how should we do it? Now nouns basically is about names. So what we can do is number 2 thing that I would like to tell you is that we should start with questioning. Now what should be your questions while you are about to teach this topic? Okay, let me tell you. I would be taking this pen or showing up anything which is there easily available in a classroom. There are so many things. I would tell them that, do you know what is this? So definitely I'll be getting answers that yes, this is a pen. Then I'll say, okay, everybody imagine that this object does not have a name. Okay. Now I want you to tell me sentences about this object without taking its name. Like if I say, my what is of blue color? I don't have to take the name. I have to imagine it has no name. Can you give me a? You can't take the name. So if you can't take the name, how would you be able to tell something about this object? Right? So from here, you question them, you encourage them to come up with sentences, and there they will realize that without names, we cannot communicate. Now, this is actually the point that we want them to understand before even telling that we are learning nouns in today's class. Okay. So then do a bit of questioning and you can keep on changing the objects. Just try to, do it for a good 10 minutes. Then number 3, try to do some more experiential activities like this. Now here in my detailed video, which I will be making for my members, I will definitely give list of what all experiential activities can be done here. But yes, I will just discuss only one here. Now, what experiential activities you can, you can just take a few objects with you, maybe a toy car or you can say a doll or something, and just cover them with a cloth, and they don't know that what is there and they don't know the names. They just have to look and they have to feel from outside and they have to imagine and then they have to think that what is it. And once they're able to think, then you tell them that, do you know what name this object is? So if it has a name, you will be able to tell that what object is it. So here also this experiential activity helps them again understanding that if things around us they don't have names, we'll not be able to communicate. Now a teacher tells that after these activities, now do you know, you make them understand the purpose. Okay, that Do you understand how important are names? Okay, so there will be many activities here which I will be adding to the detailed video that I will be posting about nouns for the members. And then you tell at number 5. So we are going to learn nouns today. Nouns means names. Nouns means names. There you tell them that noun are names, names of everything which is around. And the beginning of the video, I was singing a jingle. A noun is a name of anything you see, like a dog or a cat or a big oak tree. Encourage them to make their own jingles as well. Then, after this, there can be another activity done to sum up the class where you can ask them again, or you can categorize and you can tell them, okay, that let's see what all things can have names. Now you can let us see what all what all things, or you can say what all things has names. Okay, sorry for the typo errors that I'm doing. So here I am writing things, but definitely what all has names, you can say what all has names. You can avoid saying things here also. Then we can say that humans, they have names. Humans, like you have a name, your family members, they all have names. Okay, humans, they have names. Places, they have names. Animals, birds, insects, they have names. And also things which are like non-living things around us, table, chair, pen, they have names. Now you can avoid even doing any written exercise that day. Instead, you can give them some worksheet. Okay, here you yourself ask them that what can you give me some names of humans? Can you give me some names of places, some animals, birds, and insects and things? Now they will not say that nouns are name, place, animal, things. Nouns are the names of everything around us, like humans, places, animals, birds, insects, and many things. Now, after this, we can sum up with such worksheets. Let me share and show you what worksheets. Now, these worksheets will be shared with again the members only. Color the noun. So, this kind of worksheet is very good to do after such lesson, like color the person in red, a place in yellow, a thing in blue, take their names, speak some sentences about them. So if you'll see, the worksheet levels will also increase one by one. Now color the correct answer, person, place, or a thing. Then what is the noun here? Again, if it is shoe, it's a thing. If it is a fruit, what will you select? Of course, when you have options like this, the fruits and all goes into things only. Then look at the next one, person, place, or thing. Again, now comes the writing. Till here, we were just doing circling, coloring. Now comes the writing part in this one. Just the name of the picture given has to be written again. Okay, or you have to, oh, sorry, they have to write down name, place, animal, thing over here. What is a noun? They have to think themselves the name of person, a place, a thing, or an animal. And then they have to locate nouns from here, and then again some more worksheets. Read. All right. So these are the worksheets which I am offering only to my members now. So a lot of hard work goes to prepare these worksheets. So I believe that you all must take up that subscription to enjoy. I'm planning to put on many videos now on grammar and on many other advanced topics. And yes, this video is for just subscribers, but I am going to upload one more video about nouns, a detailed one with different activities under each topic that I had discussed, along with the worksheets, only for the members. So just go and get the subscription for yourself. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next video.